Hey Hannah, it's Christi. No! What? Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I have received a very surprising but oh so exciting package in the mail. Now, this is from none other than Kikki, my very favorite stationery store ever. I received a package and I have no idea what's inside because I did not order this. This somehow has been sent to me for whatever reason. I have no idea. Without any notice beforehand, I just I just got a mail, oh, you have this package to pick up. And I'm like, okay, so I go to the post office, I pick it up, and I'm like, Kikki, I haven't ordered from them in 2 months. I don't know where this came from, but then I saw that the address is actually handwritten, which is usually not something that Kikki does. Usually, when you order something, it's just printed digitally and then sent to you. So, my guess is that this is connected to me being a Kikki Planner Insider last year, and I am just so curious as to what might be in this package. I have no idea. Like I said, no information beforehand, just a surprise package show up one day, just like a birthday gift, I feel like. Oh my gosh, I love surprises. So, I'm gonna try to get this open, and then we'll see and find out this surprise together. Okay, so getting the address thing off was a little bit of a struggle, so I had to cut that off, but now I think I'm ready to see what's inside. Oh my gosh, this is oh so exciting. Oh my gosh. What? There's a letter? Hannah, smiley face. Whoa, Kikki. Did they... Oh, yellow, one of my favorite colors. Stream Big. This is from their new inspiration range, I believe. Let's see, I hope this is something I can show on camera, otherwise I'll have to cut it out. Oh, hey Hannah, which would be in Swedish, or hey Hannah, it's Oh, no! What? It's Christina Karlsson, founder of Kikki, and a complete stationery lover, just like you. Oh my gosh, did Christina, she handwrote this herself? Oh my gosh, I think I'm fangirling a bit here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try not to cry. Oh, ooh, okay. We wanted to treat you to some of our newest goodies, plus an extra if you wanted to run a giveaway for your followers. Whoa, guys, it's so exciting! Please tag us to share at Christina Kikki and at Kikki, hashtag Kikki Planner Love. Smiley face, Christina. Oh my gosh, what? Guys, this letter I'm gonna have to treasure forever. This is so precious. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh, I was just gonna... Gosh, I can't speak. Christina, or Kristina as we would say in Sweden. Tack Christina. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, wow. This is amazing. What? This is so surreal, guys. Whoa, this just totally made my day. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna leave this over here and we'll see. We'll continue. I'm so excited now. Okay, so, oh gosh, I wish I would have filmed this with my face, but I wasn't expecting this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so moving the tissue paper. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, this is from the new collection. Oh, I love this collection with the colors. Dream Tin. Whoa, what's this? This is so nice. What's in here, I wonder? It's a metal tin, but there's something inside. Okay, I think... Okay, oh, how to use your dream tin. Okay, when it comes to your dreams and creating a life you love, never underestimate the power of putting pen to paper. By simply writing your dreams down, you're transforming them from a mere wish into a physical manifestation on paper. Yes, I agree, and I love that. So, okay, so here's some more in depth. I'll go through that more later. Be your own storyteller. My dream. Oh, so it's like little mini letters you can share with yourself. Or write to yourself. I change myself, I change the world. I love these sentiments. If we believe in our dreams, they are achievable. Yes. Oh, I love this. This is a great thing, I feel like, to like write down and then have a little keepsake, you know? Hope is the jewel of life that illuminates our dreams. I create my own destiny. I am the master of my own future. I refuse to let the past define who I am. Very nice. So there's, let's see, in total, there's 5 different letters. You can have like different dreams or just write down and then keep them in this super pretty little tin. And keep it safe so you know where to find it. Because one day you're probably gonna want to read this back to yourself. That's so nice. And also I feel like a really nice gift to give to somebody. It's very, like, a very nice sentiment. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much. All right. Oh, the sticker book. Oh, yes. And look, all the stars make it sparkle. Oh, yes, from the same collection. Yes. Oh, my goodness. I'm so excited. So let's flip through this. Maybe I should just do this a little so it's easier to see here, make a proper review. I haven't, like, I wasn't prepared for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we have some circular stickers with some inspirational quotes. It's all gold foiled. Here we have some more big quotes. Love this. Here we have, ooh, is that like silver? Like a champagne goldy silver? Like very different foil. It's like a matte foil. Bunch of little, you can use this for decoration or on like gift wrapping or just to put some nice, you know, color and shine into your planner or notebook or wherever. Some decorative stickers. We have some more you can put on gifts. Happy birthday and thank you and grateful. This is great to give to somebody. Here's some more you can use for decoration. Here's more, a bunch of stars in different shapes. Also perfect for decoration. Here's like some gift tags, perfect. Here's some more. Oh, these are like actual cardboard foil tags. That's super lovely. And some more. I love the colors and the style in this collection. So that's the sticker book. Super nice and super sweet too. Okay, so let's dig into what's next in this box. Oh my goodness. Might it be a planner? Oh my, whoa. Whoa. It might be, maybe. Is it? And they said it was gonna be a double, so maybe it's 2 of the same. Hold on. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, wow. I'm like nervous and I feel like something is shimmering on the inside here. Is that just me? Whoa, okay, so hold on. Oh, getting it open. What if it's a shiny planner, guys? How cool would that be? Ooh, it feels different. Let's see what it is. Oh, holy cow! It is a shiny planner. Oh, so shiny. Whoa. Whoa. It's like a gold, like a champagne gold shimmery planner. Look at that. Oh, and it's with a new closure. It's like the closure that we decided upon, you know, as insiders. With a 2 snap, you can choose the size. Right now, the smallest one, it's a little too stuffed for that. So, let's see, like, what's inside, huh? Okay. Oh, whoa. Oh, with the mint. Oh my gosh, I love that. The gold and mint, that's like my favorite colors right now. And we have the standard Kikki I'm Unique handmade planner. And this comes with every planner, you know that already. Oh my gosh. I believe this is a planner that is the same collection as the TERERAI and Kikki collection. I'm not 100% sure though. But we have a little notepad here. I should probably zoom you in a little. So you can see a little better. It says notes. Oh, this is so nice. What's in here? Oh yeah, that's the standard also. So this is the, it is an A5, right? Yeah, I've been using a personal planner lately, so it's like A5 feels so big. Either way, look how flat it lies. Or lays, I should probably say. So first of all, this is an A5, and I believe that this is also like, this is a fabric planner, and so far, like, the shine, it does not rub off. Look at that, like, it stays. So this is, I would say, like a, you know, vegan planner, because it has, it's textile, so yeah, anyone can use this one. That's awesome. And we have the pockets here, and the secretarial pocket. We have the zipper. Oh, the gold is so shiny. I love the hardware with this one. So, have the inside. I love the gold and the mint combo. Like, these are my colors right now. How did they know? And we have the... Oh, these gold rings are beautiful. So, I'm pretty sure that they have already checked this planner, as in, like, somebody looked at it before they sent it to me, so I'm just gonna open it to the fullest. I don't really need to check it myself, you know. I wanna give you a closer look. Look how shiny these rings are. These are probably the shiniest Kikki rings I've ever seen. And they're so gorgeous and gold. Like, holy moly, I love this so much. So here we have the tabs, very first, or the tab stickers, I should say. Then here we have some more decorative stickers, similar to what we got in here. Oh, I love that we got from the same collection, because it's gonna be easier to customize. Let me just check. Would I be able to fit this one in the planner so I can keep it? Ooh, that's nice. This way I can keep the sticker book with me at all times, in case I want to, you know, decorate on the go. That's so nice. So the first tab, ooh, it's white, it's glossy, it has gold stars, so pretty. Here it says, be fearless in the pursuit of your dreams. And here starts the monthly. Yes, the monthly calendar, and these pages, as you can see, are mint. I love this color right now. Like, I'm kind of obsessed with mint, so this comes at a very perfect time for me. So we have a bunch of monthlies. I would guess like 18 months. That's usually the Kikki standard. Oh, so maybe all the tabs are the same, or the dividers, I mean. So this one is the same, which I don't mind at all. That means you can just like decorate them more easily yourself. Here it says, have a dream, take a chance, make the change. I love that. Here we have the weekly view. I love that nowadays Kikki planners come with a weekly. This one is horizontal, as you can see, which I've kind of been leaning towards lately. I don't know, I've been switching up my planner style recently. And we have a bunch of that. I would guess the same amount of weeks as we get in months. So a bunch of papers. And then we have, ooh, let's see. Oh yes, the to-dos. These are great, having a long to-do list. It's, I think, supposed to be daily. Usually I don't have enough tasks to fill up this long list, but you can use it for like a week. I feel like this could be weekly too. You can customize it the way you want. So we get a bunch of these, which are very handy. So thank you. And we have the next divider. Here comes notes, which is great. And then, let's see, this is the 5th divider. Yes, I would guess the rest are just notes pages, which is fine because usually I use these papers a lot to just jot down quick little things. And yeah, let's see. So the last one is, yes, also notes, which is, you know, completely fine because these, it's great to have a lot of them. That way, I feel like if you make a mistake, sometimes if I start writing something and it's very quick, it looks horrible, or if I make a mistake, I just rip the page out and then I can start over on another one because I know I have a bunch, you know. And of course, we have the notepad at the back. Oh, it looks a little darker here, but that's just because of the notepad itself. Like the fabric is a little bit see-through. It's not that it's mist-colored. I just wanted to show you that. And we have the pen loop, of course. And wow, this is a gorgeous planner. I love the colors. I feel like they've been reading my mind. It's so me. But yeah, this is so amazing. Thank you, Kikki and Christina. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Like, what? And I feel like the most precious thing of all is the letter from Christina herself. Oh, wow. What a nice gift. I feel like it's my birthday and Christmas all at once, and it's neither, but whoa, this is just so amazing. So thank you so much, Kikki. So, but that's actually not it, since, I mean, they did say, if you remembered, that they sent a little extra. So let us see. I believe the extra is an extra planner, which is meant for you guys. I don't know, I shouldn't probably open it too much, but I want to open it to show you since I have it here, you know. These little dust bags are great too. I feel like it would be great to, if you carry your planner in a bag, you can have it in the dust bag to protect it from, you know, the other stuff in your bag. So we have the same planner with all the same things inside. I'm not gonna take anything out. I'm just gonna show you. I mean, it's all the same that I just showed you, but I'll just do a quick flip through to show you that you do get the same things. So we have all the same inserts and everything. So yeah, it's all the same. It's gorgeous. And gosh, if you win this planner, I'm gonna have a giveaway. So if you win this planner, we can be planner twinsies. That's so awesome. How nice of them to think not just of me, but of you guys too, and to allow me to be able to do this. That's just so lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna close this up because this is not mine. I already showed you mine. This is somebody's planner in the future. So I'm gonna have a giveaway, but I'm gonna do it through Instagram because I feel like I'm put so on the spot right now. I'm gonna have to think through some things. And so make sure to go and head over to my Instagram, which is Hannas_Haven_. On there will be a picture of this planner, and it will say all the details on how to enter the giveaway and stuff like that. And I just feel like I have to show you these side by side. It feels surreal to have two of the same planner next to each other. So make sure to do that. And yeah, good luck to anybody who is entering. So yeah, that was it, guys. I just want to say a huge ginormous thank you to Kikki and to Christina, and you know, for sending me these lovely items. I mean, it made my day, my week, probably my month. This surprise package, just wow. I'm so grateful and shocked and just, you know, amazed all at the same time. I don't know what to say. But also, of course, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram to have the chance to win this lovely planner. And once I figure out what to do with mine, of course, you will be the first to know. Alright, but once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!